Yeah, I have not had a secure briefing on the issue yet, and until such time, I'm going to reserve judgment. Israel, of course, has the right to defend itself. There's a special relationship between the United States and Israel. But I also, at the same time, support President Biden and Vice President Harris's efforts to enact a peace plan for Gaza and to de-escalate any tensions that exist in the region in order to avoid an all-out conflict. Last question?
Thanks, Leader Jeffries. A couple weeks ago, the DOJ and the FBI did a big press conference highlighting Russia's efforts to interfere in our elections. Now that we have seen that Iran is also doing the same thing, but seemingly in the favor of the Harris campaign, do you think that the administration or the Harris campaign need to do more to bring attention to that as well? I think so far we've seen maybe a press release, but given that the other situation got so much press and so much attention.
Foreign interference in American elections is unacceptable in any circumstance. That is the Democratic position. It's our hope that that will be the Republican position as well. Thank you.